Hi, everyone. My name is Ron Surface, and I am here to talk about the Forex for Beginners Academy. I will say that before I got involved with the community, I was searching to try to get involved for many, many years. I read a variety of books on the subject, and they were all absolutely fabulous. So it's not against anything against the books, but mainly when you read the books, it's like, here's the book and good luck, And if you follow up with them, then they either want a monthly subscription to continue helping you, or they want just an astronomical fee up front just to get involved in their club. And so the Student for Beginners family was definitely a breath of fresh air in a huge way. Not only were they welcoming and very professional, they outlined the group to be very helpful. This is not a dog-eat-dog sort of situation. This is a very supportive community, very positive, and that's all spelled out up front. So it's extremely pleasant. It has helped me enormously to have somebody that I can call on to ask all questions all along the process. And the training has been fabulous because he literally goes through and spells everything out and goes through everything button by button. So it's really great to break it down to that level. He absolutely emphasizes chart analysis, which is refreshing because it's so true. It's pertinent. It's like, okay, you want to drive this car? Great. Let's learn how to drive the car. Let's learn about the car. Let's figure out how to drive it, So it's very, very, it's been an amazing experience. Absolutely one of the best of my entire life. And I've had an extremely blessed life, I assure you, everybody. He's turned us on to the software that we need. And he's got us into a private student group, which has been enormously fantastic, meeting other people that are in school, to do all what we're doing and to share our homeworks, assignments, and to talk about them and everything. So it's just been an enormously positive experience. I couldn't be happier. I highly recommend it to anybody who's considering getting involved. And I will be forever grateful for this experience. And I hope to be a part of it for a long time.